morning, guys. So I am going to Central City. I want to go into Louis Vuitton and see what they have there. I'm actually looking for a pair of earrings. I'm not sure if they have them in store, but I've actually seen them on the website, and I just didn't want to ask my sales guy because I thought, you know what, in any case, I'm going to be going in because hubby wants a belt, but not necessarily like a Louis Vuitton belt. Like, you know, like it can be like, you know, Louis Vuitton or Versace or D&G or Salvatore, like, you know. But so I have to go into all those stores just to see what they have. And I'm also looking for shoes as well. I am graduating in May, so I think I want to get myself, like, you know, a nice pair of shoes. And I'm also going to go into Dolce & Gabbana because, guys, there's a bag that I've been eyeing, and my birthday is coming up in June. So yeah, I like to prepare for these things, guys, honestly. Like, I prefer to prepare for these things. So come with me. I am looking very, I'm feeling myself today. I'm feeling myself. This hair is doing what it's meant to do. It's giving. Like, I'm loving it. I'm loving the color. I'm enjoying the curls. It's a little bit of a maintenance. Like, every morning you literally have to put, like, you know, oil sheen on it so that it doesn't clog together. But otherwise, I'm just going to keep it for, like, you know, this month. Oh, and guys, we were meant to go to Cape Town for this long weekend, but hubby tested positive last week for COVID. So that is why I got this hair done. I got the hair done for Cape Town, long weekend. But all that has been cancelled. But yeah, there's a reason for everything, guys. Everything happens for a reason. There's a reason why hubby got, like, you know, tested positive just, you know, a week before going to Cape Town. Maybe God is just protecting us from something. But anyway, we got our full refund for accommodation, everything that we had booked. We got the full refund already. For flights, guys, Fly Safair is the best. They've already given us vouchers. And the funny thing is, we didn't book, like, you know, the flexible tickets, the flexible air tickets. So the flexible tickets basically allows you to, like, you know, upgrade or change dates. Like, in my case, I just, you know, went with the normal airfare tickets, and they still just, you know, gave us vouchers. I'm actually loving their service. So guys, let me get out of the house, let me leave, and yeah, I'll check you guys later.
I think this is why we also deliberately kind of display.
Sure. When I say this is stunning, and this is the mini.
Yes, this is a Capucine mini large.
And this is the, okay. Did it?
So mini, but it's like strap chain.
Oh, okay. And then it has this divider inside. So, but this little divider actually makes it a bit small, eh?
Okay, but I think also generally the bag is a bit small.
Okay, generally the bag is
it's
small.
a bit small. I think that divider just to kind of make it feel like you've got compartment in it.
And then this one.
And then this is the bag.
Oh, so the Kazan bag now comes in this leather as well.
Yes. That almost looks like a denim, but it's actually leather.
But it's leather.
And then there's that.
No, it's fine. And this is the BB.
No, this is like a MM.
Okay, it's the MM size. This is a shoe quite big. Okay, so there's that. No, it's fine. You need, your hands actually are healthy. Oh, wow. And what's the price on this?
And then the MM is currently going for, let me just scan this.
I can imagine. I can imagine. And the BB. So the BB is in between this and that.
Yeah. So the BB comes after the mini. Then there's a PM, then an MM. There's a GM as well, but we don't get the GM.
Oh yeah, the GM might be probably too big, eh? Yeah. And probably too heavy because the bag itself is heavy.
125.
125. And this is the MM. So the BB wouldn't be bad.
No, so that's the thing. The difference between the sizes is quite evident, but in terms of the prices, it's not that big of a difference.
I'm curious to know
So,
what the BB would be, because that was 125 and this is the MM. Then the BB should. Because I feel if I'm going for a cup of scene, then getting the mini is just ridiculous.
Oh, you would rather go for in between size.
Yes.
But now the tricky thing is, I don't think the flower comes in another size. It will just be these two sizes. But I just want to double check.
Okay, but did you guys have like new styles in the new styles of the Kapasi for 2022? I don't know. Do you guys have different styles? Because I know this has been around for quite a while, right?
Yes.
But funny enough, I've never seen it in store.
So
I've
the
only
thing
seen it on the website.
Yeah, so that's the thing, because it's here as well.
I'm dying. Oh my goodness. So is it only in this beige or?
Comes in the beige, the black, and there's other prints, but we don't feel like we have it.
Okay, and what is this?
This is
so
by my
stunning
side.
though. What's the price on this? It's so nice though. Yeah, what size? 25.
Yeah, 25. So funny enough, the 25 in the leather really looks so much bigger than the 25 in the canvas.
And this is the Nue.
Yeah.
Jesus, guys, so many nice colors. Like, do you understand? I'm like dying right
On
now.
my side is 66,000.
This bag.
Yeah.
And what's the price on this? The new Speedies, like in the Emprunt,
Yeah.
versus the.
I'll check that.
Okay. Oh my gosh. And then now there's the. Exactly. By my side. By the side, by my side.
On my side. There's just a lot going on.
Yeah. I think the trims, whereas here when it's black, it's just black.
Get the monogram, be done with the day, move on.
That's the thing. I feel like there's lots of monogram items that are very nice.
So the MM is 72.5.
months you're gonna get it again.
Is this 15,895?
Yes.
Okay.
And that came in leather as well,
Is
for
it?
12,795.
Oh, in leather.
And then the shoe is it's the same thing, but obviously in leather. And yeah, for ladies. Another function for ladies.
Yeah, another design. Thank you.
Oh, they're
Really
stunning.
nice, man.
They're stunning.
I like these ones as well.
Oh, those ones are so uncomfortable. My sister
Yeah,
has them.
really?
My sister has them.
They're so nice.
My sister has them. They're so nice, but she says uncomfortable. We have Alexander McQueen now. Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Good, thank you. Welcome.
Thank you. When did you guys open? Can I just try that 18?
Which one?
What's up, guys? So I am back. Guys, window shopping is painful. There's so many things, guys, at Louis Vuitton. Oh my gosh, guys, there's this bag. It's called By the Side or On the Side. Oh, guys, I'm going to insert like a little clip here. That bag is so stunning. Like, wow. I think that will probably be my next purchase if I'm ever to buy again from Louis Vuitton. I think that will probably be like, my next bag if I'm to ever buy like, a bag from Louis Vuitton. Guys, it's so stunning. There's so many new beautiful things at Louis Vuitton, guys. Oh, and by the way, there's Alexander McQueen now at Diamond Walk. I think they moved into a store that used to be current 2A or 2A store. I'm not sure what happened to current 2A. So they've taken over that spot basically. I'm not really a fan of Alexander McQueen, to be honest. I wish the store was YSL. If it was YSL, I'll probably be buying a lot from there because I love all things YSL, from their bags to accessories to shoes. I love all things YSL. But with Alexander McQueen, I feel like, their stuff or their items are just limited. So anyway, I got something small from Louis Vuitton. So this is actually an item that I have on my wish list for 2022. It's very small, and it's also an item that I felt like I should actually get before it runs out. So my birthday is like almost 2 months away, but I just thought, what, actually let me just kickstart and get start collecting all the items that I want to get for my birthday. And also I think I'm certainly going to wear this for my graduation. It's just a piece of earrings. It's just earrings, not the bulky ones. I'll show them to you guys. They're very cute. They're so stunning. But anyway, guys, so I'm going to close the vlog here. I will see you in the next one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know which item in the video you like the most from Louis Vuitton, Dolce & Gabbana. Tell me what you think of the Dolce & Gabbana bags, guys. I am super obsessed, and they are quite reasonable. The small one is actually 24,500 and the big one is 33,000. So do consider D&G if you are on the market for a bag outside of Louis Vuitton or outside of Gucci. So guys, please subscribe below. Don't forget to hit the bell to be alerted every time I post a new video. I'll see you in the next one.